Fix paper feed issues for the HP Laser MFP 330,000 printer series. If you are trying to print and your printer is not picking up paper, picking up multiple pages at once, or printing skewed pages, then follow these steps to fix the issue. Fix paper not picking up or multiple pages being picked up. To avoid this feed issue, check the following. Before loading a paper stack, remove any pages that are bent, wrinkled, or torn. Only use paper that meets the specifications required by the machine. Pages can occasionally stick together. Fanning the paper stack before loading can help fix this. Load the paper into the tray. Make sure the paper width guides are set to the correct markings in the tray for the paper size you are loading. The paper guides should be snug but not tight against the stack. Only load paper of the same type, size, and weight. Make sure that the stack of paper does not exceed the stack height indicators. Fix pages that are skewing. To avoid this feed issue, check the following. Remove the paper stack from the printer. Remove the input tray from the printer and then reinstall it. Make sure the input tray snaps into place. If the tray is misaligned, it can cause pages to skew. Reload the paper stack. Make sure that the paper loaded in the input tray is aligned with the paper width guides. Loading paper while printing can cause skewed pages. Only load paper into the printer when it is not printing. Make sure the rear access door is securely shut.